Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with F.Afsisterwig once more. This is the usual packaging, just simple and minimalistic. Now let's get into it. I got some hairpins, which I absolutely appreciate. Always losing these, so this always comes in so handy. I got an edge brush and comb, and of course I'll show you guys that I got the wig. So it wasn't like a lot of goodies, but yeah, very much to the point. So this is today's wig, which I really love. This is actually their 9x6 HD lace closure wig. All right, I was just pretty much showing you that, guys, that everything is perfect. This is how the construction looks. The lace is already pre-bleached. I'm showing you guys how much combs it have. It has a total of 4 combs, and they're removable. It's attached by Velcro. On the ear portion, it is shaped like a C, which I'll show you guys a little bit more in a few. But it also has a drawstring in the back, which is very convenient and keeps it very secure on your head, being that it's glueless. So this is where I show you guys a little bit more with the C shape around the ear portion. This helps the wig to sit very comfortably on your head, around your ears. So I love that. All right, so now I pretty much just move on to slipping it on, and I must say the cap is also breathable, so I do appreciate that, especially with the temperature being so hot right now. I absolutely appreciate that. So I was showing you guys how the ear portion sits and fits comfortably. Now this is how it looks once I slip it on. I was showing you guys how to adjust the string in the back. Very easy, very to the point. All I do is tuck the string beneath the cap. It's really nothing much to it. So direct. Yeah, I love that. So all I did was I went ahead and removed the extra lace in the front. You just want to be careful so you don't cut off any of the hair in front there. But also I love the whole dome cap, because this is their 3D dome cap design as well, guys. I forgot to mention that earlier on, but this design ensures that the lace fits your forehead. So if you notice how the lace is hugging my forehead there, it doesn't seem loose or, you know, not fitting right. It is snug to my head. I love that. And whether from the middle or the side, it truly requires no glue and fits the head super well. So after countless attempts, you know, the lace area shaped into distortion free dome. Oh yeah, I was showing you guys how much space there is to work with this lace closure as well. You could go ahead, do a braided style. You could even do like a little ponytail in the middle right there, to how much space you have to work with this closure wig. So you guys know that I always have a closure wig like this. It is perfect. It looks so realistic. Nobody could tell that this isn't attached by any form of adhesive, because look at how melted that is. I'm so happy. So happy. Absolutely love it. Feel like it's definitely perfect for the summertime. The fact that you don't need any adhesive. I was just fluffing the hair, showing you guys how, you know, beautiful that is. The styling portion of this was very easy as well. I wanted to keep that voluminous wavy look. That's what I did. So I was just running my fingers through it. The curls are super soft, super silky. It was minimal shedding, so I love that. And it's a 1B color. I don't remember if I mentioned that. So it's a very natural, realistic vibe. The hair is also very full. Look at that. Yeah, feeling it. I am feeling it. I can't even lie. But yeah, so I just continue to kind of play with that with my hands, and, you know, kind of shape it to my liking a little bit more. Now I went into making the parting space more, well, the parting more precise. So I got some powder and just used the brush to, you know, take my time, perfect the parting right there. I always opt for powder because it's a little less messy, and yeah, I just prefer using powder most of the times. But that's that. That is how that looks. Then I pretty much just pushed one portion behind an ear, and because I wanted that, I don't know, I wanted that look. I like that look. I was just running the comb tail to show you guys that yes, it's completely glueless, and I'm happy. I love it. I love it, guys. Let me know what you think. But yeah. Yeah, I'm so funny. It's definitely so pretty for you. Got up close. You guys see that? This lace is melted without any product. 10 out of 10 recommend. 10 out of 10 highly recommend. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to AF Sister Wig once more. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig down below first thing in my description box, so please go ahead, check it out. All right, the specifications and everything will be listed on this wig. I believe it's 22 inches long. All right, so please go ahead, go down below for all the necessary information. If there's any discount code that I may have, that's where you can find it. All right, so please check that out. That is it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. They did their thing on this look. I am super pleased. All right, and you guys heard it from me. I 10 out of 10 recommend. No joke. But that's it. That's all. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.